Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord fog light bulb. First, you'll need to gain access to the fog light assembly. Turn your steering wheel fully to the side you're working on. Then, using a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket, carefully remove the necessary fasteners from the fender liner. This will allow you to pull back the liner and reach the bulb. Once you have enough access, gently pull back the fender liner. You'll see the back of the fog light housing. Locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and carefully disconnect it. Then, grasp the bulb itself and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. The old bulb should now easily pull straight out from the housing. Now take your new fog light bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs and twist it clockwise to secure it in place. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Before putting everything back, turn on your fog lights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. With the new bulb confirmed working, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position. Reinstall all the fasteners, clips, and screws you removed earlier, making sure they are all securely tightened. Double-check your work to ensure everything is snug and safe. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.